Hi viewers, today we're looking at the Excel VBA internal rate of return financial formula in Excel 2013. First of all, you can see my data here. I've got my values here, starting with a negative value there. I've got my guess there, which is, if you leave blank, by default is 10%, and I've got the section I'm going to enter my internal rate of return named IRR. So first of all, I'm going to record a macro which I'm going to edit the code in. So I'm going to click on record. I'm going to call this IRR underscore FX, and I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to click on stop, and then I'm going to go and insert my code. I go to view macros in the view tab and click on edit on the macro, and if I get rid of the comment stuff in green, I can paste in my code there, get rid of the double sub and end subs, and there you have my code. So basically the active cell dot formula array basically says insert this formula into Excel in the cell, and then it says equals, and then within the quote it says equals IRR, which is the internal rate of return formula, and the first clause in the comma separated brackets is the actual range of data, A2 being that negative value down to A4 with the positive values, and then you've got the comma separated and B2, and then B2 is the actual guess, as you can see from this comments down here. IRR is the formula. The first argument is the value array. The second argument is a guess. Is it you guessing at 0.10? Are you guessing at 10% or higher or lower? So I've got that in there. Now if I close this, this is where cell C2 is where I want to insert the formula. So if I click on the macros drop down list in the view tab of Excel, and click on view macros, and then click on run, it's now inserted that value of internal rate of return IRR of 1.73 for the array of minus 2345 and values up to 5646 in cell A4, and then a guess of a guess of 10%, or 0.10 is a number, and that's the value there. You can see the formula in there, and the curly brackets on the outside basically is specifying that it's an array formula. That's it.